Welcome to Homeschool for American Adults. Hi, I'm Donna Marie. In today's lesson, you will learn to read words that begin with the consonant blend CH. In a previous lesson, you learned to read words that end with the CH sound. Now we'll practice words where CH comes at the beginning of the word. Remember, the same blend can appear at the beginning, end, or both places in a word. You already know the sounds for the other letters in each word. At the end of this lesson, you will read short sentences that include the CH words you've practiced. Let's review the CH sound. The letters C and H together make the ch sound. Say it with me. Ready? Let us begin. Ch, like in chip and much. Here are examples of words that begin with the ch sound or end with the ch sound. Let's read the words together. Chip, chick, lunch. Lunch ends with CH. You've seen CH at the end of words. Now you'll learn how to read it at the beginning. Let's read words that begin with ch, like chin, chicken, chips. This is the way that we will read each word in the word list. First, we will say the CH sound. Then we will read the rest of the word. Finally, we will read the whole word. After we have completed reading the word list in this order, we will review the words on the word list by reading the words straight through without pausing. Let us begin. Ch, add, chad. Ch, amp, champ. Ch, at, chat. Ch, ek, check. Ch, s, chess. Ch, imp, chimp. Ch, est, chest. Ch, ip, chip. Ch, up, chop. Ch, unk, chunk. Ch, uck, chuck. Ch, ick, chick. Ch, ill, chill. Ch, ant, chant. Ch, in, chin. Great job. Now, let's read the word list straight through without pausing. Ready? Let us begin. Chad, champ, chat, check, chess, chimp, chest, chip, chop, chunk, chuck, chick, chill, chant, chin. Great job. Now we will read short sentences that include the CH words you've practiced. Read along with me. Ready? Let us begin. Chad runs fast in the park. She is the champ of the race. I like to chat with my friend. Please check your work. Dad taught me to play chess. The chimp swings in the tree. The chest is full of toys. I ate a salty chip. Mom will chop the carrots. I ate a big chunk of melon. Chuck, chill the drink. We eat chicken wings for dinner. You did it. Great job. Congratulations, you made it to the end of lesson 3. Now I have an assignment for you to do. Your assignment is to take a few minutes every day and review the lesson. If you find it difficult to do any part of the lesson, remember, you can always rewind this video and practice again. Never move on to the next lesson until you can read this lesson with ease. When you can read this lesson with ease, you are ready to move on to the next lesson. See you there. Now, we have reached the end of this session, but before you go, please, if you've experienced the joy of reading today, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and click the notification bell so that you will know when a new lesson is uploaded. Thank you for joining me today. It was a pleasure teaching you. Bye-bye.